Hi everyone, today I'll show you how I will do my broccoli. It's so simple. What I do is now I just put a little water in my pan, just a little. Then I'll put this in here. Then for 1 minute I will boil my broccoli, fresh broccoli. Then I will put the lid on. So I'll boil it for about 1 minute. Now it's been 1 minute. It's done. I'll take it out. Now I'll put some red onion, sliced onion, about 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, three sliced garlic, 3 or 4. Now I'll add a little salt, about half a teaspoon or a quarter. Minimize the heat. Oregano, about 1 teaspoon. Basil, about a quarter teaspoon. Black pepper, sprinkle black pepper. Just add a little water so the bottom part will not burn. Just 1 tablespoon of water. Now I'll put chickpeas from the can, as much as you want to, and sliced Roma tomatoes. Now immediately we will put back the broccoli, the green broccoli. Now toss it. From inside out, like that. Then this taste will go at the top. As you can see, the broccoli are not breaking apart. So now it is time to put the fresh mozzarella cheese. That's about it. We'll serve it now. Now I'll put it on my plate. We should not overcook it. So beautiful, fresh, and it's not overcooked, and it's delicious. Let me see. Here you go. I hope you like this dish. If you do, don't forget to subscribe so you can get my next video. Click the all button. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. So delicious.